Want to find real friends? Learn from the best book on building genuine connections. In this video, we're breaking down top advice from Dale Carnegie's How to Win Friends and Influence People in the Digital Age. But here's the game changer. We'll also give you powerful example sentences so you can take action right away, even in your next WhatsApp message. Let's dive right into the first tip. 1. Show genuine interest in others. Meet Zoe, a 25-year-old graphic designer who's struggling to make meaningful connections in the bustling city she just moved to. She's tired of superficial small talk with fleeting acquaintances. Zoe craves deep, lasting friendships, but doesn't know where to start. That's when she discovers Dale Carnegie's timeless wisdom, updated for our digital age. Her first step? Ditching the dreaded "How are you?" for questions that truly matter. She messages her coworker Jake. "Hey Jake, how did your photography exhibit go last weekend? I remember you mentioning it and I'm dying to hear all about it." Boom! Jake's response is immediate and enthusiastic. He's touched that Zoe remembered and actually cared about his passion project. 2. Give sincere and frequent praise. Next up, Zoe decides to brighten her friend Sarah's day. "Sarah, I just have to say, your presentation in today's meeting was absolutely brilliant. The way you handled those tough questions showed real expertise. You're killing it." Sarah's reply? A flood of grateful emojis and a heartfelt thank you that means so much coming from you. 3. Be authentic and honest. Zoe realizes she's been putting on a facade of constant happiness. She decides to open up to her childhood friend Alex. "Hey Alex, I wanted to be real with you. I've been struggling to adjust to city life and feeling a bit lonely. It's not all Instagram perfect, you know?" Alex's response is supportive and opens up a deeper conversation about life's challenges. 4. Listen actively. When her friend Emily vents about her work stress, Zoe resists the urge to offer solutions. Instead, she replies, "That sounds really tough, Emily. How are you feeling about everything right now? I'm here to listen if you want to talk more about it." Emily appreciates the space to express herself fully and feels truly heard. 5. Share common interests. Zoe remembers her new neighbor Mark mentioning his love for indie films. She seizes the opportunity. "Hey Mark, I just heard about this amazing indie film festival happening next weekend. Want to check it out together? Could be a fun way to explore our shared movie obsession." Mark's excited response leads to plans for not just the festival, but regular movie nights. 6. Be helpful. When Zoe notices her friend Tom posting about job hunting struggles, she doesn't just offer sympathy, she takes action. "Tom, I know the job search can be brutal. I actually have a contact in your industry. Want me to introduce you? Also, I'd be happy to look over your resume if you'd like a fresh pair of eyes." Tom is overwhelmed with gratitude for Zoe's practical support. 7. Avoid unnecessary criticism. Zoe's roommate Lisa tends to leave the kitchen a mess. Instead of lashing out, Zoe takes a deep breath and messages, "Hey Lisa, I know we're both super busy. How about we come up with a cleaning schedule that works for both of us? I have some ideas if you want to brainstorm together." Lisa, relieved at the non-confrontational approach, eagerly agrees to find a solution. 8. Build trust. When Zoe's colleague Rachel confides in her about workplace drama, Zoe responds, "Rachel, I appreciate you trusting me with this. I want you to know that this stays between us. Your privacy is important to me." Rachel feels safe and valued, strengthening their bond. 9. Share your own experiences. Zoe's friend David is going through a tough breakup. Instead of just offering platitudes, Zoe opens up, "David, I went through a similar situation last year. It felt like the world was ending, but I promise it gets better. Want to grab coffee and talk about it? I can share what helped me get through it." David feels less alone and accepts Zoe's offer, leading to a heartfelt conversation. 10. Be patient and understanding. Zoe's best friend Maya has been distant lately. Instead of getting upset, Zoe sends a thoughtful message. "Maya, I've noticed you've been a bit quiet lately. I just want you to know I'm here for you. No pressure. Whenever you're ready to talk or hang out, I'll be there. Take all the time you need." Maya, touched by Zoe's understanding, eventually opens up about her personal struggles. As Zoe applies these principles, she notices a remarkable change. Her phone buzzes more often with genuine conversations. Her calendar fills up with coffee dates and outings. Most importantly, she feels a deep sense of connection with the people around her. Remember, building real friendships isn't about grand gestures. It's about consistent, genuine interactions that show you care. Start with your next message. Who knows? It might be the beginning of a beautiful friendship. Hey, if you're loving this content, why not drop a comment letting us know what topic you want us to cover next? Now it's time for you to choose your next video. Option 1, 7 things you should always keep private, because true friendship is built on trust, and knowing what to share and what not to is crucial for maintaining healthy boundaries. Or Option 2, The Ultimate Guide to Social Success, Dale Carnegie, where we dive even deeper into Carnegie's timeless principles for building meaningful relationships in all areas of life. Choose your next video now. Your journey to better friendships is just beginning.